Hey YouTube, what's up? My Makita charger died, so I had to buy a new one, and I was wondering what I could do with my old one and turn it into a Makita LED light. It's really simple. You just take out 4 screws at the back using a Phillips head, Phillips bit, and you just pull it out. Take out the whole board and just observe where there's a red and a black wire. The red is positive, and what you do is you buy a LED work light. These are used by SUVs. The model number is X00137C83H. This is what it looks like. It comes with the brackets, which is this. I'll show you a picture from the side, but you still can fit it in, so you get a bracket, a flat bar, 3/4 inch flat bar. Just drill 2 holes. It's probably like 2.5 inches, and the other side's like 3.5 or so. Bolt it on here, and you end up with this thing. I'll show you. Whoa, really bright. The cost of this thing is, I think, $23 Canadian. This light, it says 12 volt to 24 volt, so I didn't need to get a converter to reduce the voltage. One tip is, when you're wiring this stuff right, you should bend it over. You see how it's like 3/4 inch thick length? I stripped the wire 3/4 inch in length, and what happens, instead of cutting it, I just fold it over itself. You see how I bent it over itself, and then put a wire cap on top. So let me know what you think of this light. Total cost is $13. Any thumbs up, thumbs down? If you like it, give me a like.